Why am I taking a video of me washing the windows? Stay tuned and find out. But first, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. And when I get done washing this window, we'll see why I'm recording this. Welcome to the channel. As you can see, I was at the beginning of the video, I was washing my window out to my front yard. Why was I doing that? Let me show you. Something I picked up the other day. It is a window bird feeder. Little clear plastic with a roof, and it sticks onto your window. If you're interested, a link will be in the description below. I thought it was something pretty cool. You know, I like watching the birds and stuff. As you know, I got some bird feeders out there, so I wanted to see if this would work, and I could watch it right there off my living room window. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, one box is wrapped up in bubble wrap. You got 3 suction cups to go on your window. Set of instructions. Pretty self-explanatory, looks like. So when you do mount these suction cups, before you mount it on the window, it says please wipe the inside with a damp cloth before using. Okay? Yeah, you just want to wet this area. Okay, let's unwrap. Let's see here. Pretty wrapped up pretty good. All right. Got a little bit. Take that off. So this has 3 trays. These ones have, I don't know if you can see, but there's little holes in it so the water drains out of them. And this one would be for water if you wanted to put water in it. Okay. This will be the base plate. And it just sets in there. Cool. Okay. Got another one here. Lots of bubble wrap. This is the wall. Right? Like this. Okay. So you got, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bump here on each end. Bump here, bump here. And then on this wall here, you got a little hole on each side. So put that in there, and it should snap in there, right? Maybe. There we go. Oop. Okay. Oh, yeah. You could slide. Each suction cup has a little tab here, and you can push them in here. Let's see. You got the bigger hole here, and you just slide it up. There you go, like that. Okay. There. Okay. And then we have the roof. And the roof has holes on the roof. And it has holes right here. And it's got a little tab out here. So we'll just put that on there like that. Right. Snaps into place. Okay. Let me go set it up and stick it on the window. I got a damp paper towel and I'm rubbing the suction cups here. And let's stick this on here. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna stick it right on, right here probably. Let's see. This one here, it's a little deformed. So, there we go. All right. Let's push, 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 push. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. I don't think that's coming off. Now let me go get some bird seed. I'll fill up, you know, in some water. Be right back. So you can take this tray right out if you want, and then go get the stuff. So I'm gonna fill this one up here. Bird seed. Okay. And then I'm gonna, I might put some sunflower seeds in this one and some water. I'll be right back. So this roof extends past this, so the water is hopefully stays dry. And if the food does get a little wet, whatever, they got drain holes in there. But this side is for the water. I'm gonna put some water in there too. Okay, got some water. Yeah. I'm only gonna put a little bit in there. Seems sturdy. All right, I'll grab the camera and show you what it looks like up here. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Okay, you think I can watch some birds here? All right, let's go outside. All right. Got some bird seed in here. Got some, I don't know. The sunflower seeds are not the greatest, but anyway, this is what it looks like. See, you got some regular bird seed, and then just sunflower seeds and some water. Okay. And there, that's what it looks like. Okay. So, my little window bird feeder, not very expensive. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. It will probably take some time for birds to show up and find it. It's going to be for the smaller birds, maybe my cardinals, the chickadees, some of the other ones that are small. Blue jays is going to be a little bit too big for, but when I ordered it, it said it may take a while. So we'll see how long it takes for the birds to find it and show up. And hopefully I can see, you know, watch them once they find it. But anyway, if this channel is something that you may be interested in, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell so you're notified of when I put out new videos. and leave a comment. What do you think about this little window bird feeder? Only a few bucks. And you know what? If you have cats, the cats might enjoy a little bird watching from the window. Just a thought. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. It's been up 4 days. Finally got a bird.